Hello everybody, this is DBLuuv. Welcome back to episode 4 of our playthrough through Neversong. It's a story about Pete, who was, or potentially is, in a coma and is trying to save his friend Wren from Dr. Smiley. Very, very creepy guy. One of those carnivore cannibal, and he's apparently a doctor? Whatever. Anyways, so we're on the way back to Wren's house. We learned a song. We defeated Simeon's mom, who was a centipede, and then now we destroyed John's dad, who was Mr. Tyone? I don't know. I have no idea what his name was, but we just destroyed him, and even Bird made a comment where it's like, do we feel bad that we're destroying these people? Yeah, I do, but what's done is done. All right. So let's go. We're going to go head over to the house, Wren's house, and play our new song. Oh yeah, just so you know, we also got these cool gloves, if you can see them. And our bat has spikes. Bah, bah. We learned how to also... What was that? Did you see that line? Oh, shoot. How am I supposed to go across? Worst case scenario, we get hurt, right? Oh, hello. Well, there you go. Who is this?
Watch out for Punky. That's me, Punky.
Hi, Punky.
Simeon said I should go and find him some help, but I'm too busy dancing. Do you like my dance moves?
Not really. No. But I guess.
I think I'm gonna get a tattoo for my birthday.
Of what?
On my butt.
What? Not where?
Oh, I'm gonna get a tattoo of my butt on my butt.
Wow. Okay. I'm done talking to him. He's a little strange. A little strange. Sometimes boys are... Oh, no! Hey! Dang, you were really close. Give me that heart. I need my heart. Ooh, look it! Boom, and boom, and boom, and we just got a 6th heart, guys. That is exciting. Hey! Oh, come on. Alright, well, I need to get that, whatever that is. Oh my gosh, these things just want to... Okay, got something. What was that? Alright, come on. Come back down. You're a wuss, you little... I'm gonna get down. He doesn't want to get down and fight me, so... Boop, boop, boop. Oh, now you want to come down. Ooh, destroyed! I'm gonna collect these heart fizzles way faster now that there's big bosses, big fiends and enemies. It's not an enemy, an enemy. I wonder if there's stuff down there that I can get down. But I don't want to. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my gosh. I just destroyed a person. That is no longer a little bug. These are people. I feel like they're parents. The parents are like insane.
Yikes. First the storm rolling in, and now crazy grown-ups?
Yeah.
What's next?
I agree. I don't know. Whoa. It's locked from the inside, but look at the door is like busted. What are you talking about? It's locked from the inside. Goodness.
Where is everybody?
Like that guy up top. There's a bomb here, and I'm going to try to blow up that thing. Might as well. I'm over here anyways, and might as well do so. Might as well kill that guy and get some heart fizzles. Fizzer, fizzer, fizzer. Heart fizzer. Okay. Oh my gosh. He's got a long reach. Ah, come on. Whew. Oh, whoa, that's a little weird. I just hit his... I'm hitting his head. Alright. I think that's what I could do. Explode the door. Aw, lame. So, what am I supposed to use that for? Well, here's Wren's house. New song is... I like the Sonata. The Overture's great. B, 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 D, E, A. BB. There we go. I totally was off key. Guys are probably like, don't do it. Don't sing it. Sounds horrible. Slug board. Ooh, Wren's nickname, the slug, is hand painted on the bottom. Skate on hard surfaces. Yes. Ooh, I can go fast now. Woohoo! And I could, look at that. Did you see that? I could do a kickflip. That is awesome. Oh, whoa. Wren, come back. Yes. First try. Ooh, I need to keep on. Whoa, I already hit that. Come on, seriously? It's okay. There's something else around here that sounds creepy. Booty Power Company. Let's see. What's going on here? Is he bleeding or pooping? I think he's bleeding. What happened?
My daddy had it coming for him.
Uh-oh.
Look at him hanging up there.
Dude, yikes.
Lol, I'm just messing. I captured him because he tried to rip off my shoulder blades. Dead serious, bruh.
Bruh.
Acted like a crazy zombie. But can I be honest? I feel so much relief knowing he's tied up.
That's okay.
Either he's lost his mind, or he's a straight up zombie.
He might have lost his mind. But he might be a zombie.
Of course you don't know. You're like 10 months younger than me. I'm older and got wisdom and peach fuzz.
Peach fuzz, I'm hoping you're talking about your mustache.
Anyways, now that he's out of my hair, I can finally breathe.
What do you mean?
My pops ran the coal power all day. Made my granny cough all day. She won't stop whining. Wants me to turn it back on so I can make her cough. What am I supposed to do with that?
I don't know, turn it back on, I guess.
Can I turn on the power? Yeah. I'm oldest, so my dad left the coal business to me.
Well, that's cool.
I didn't say I would. I said I can. Dum-dum. I'm sick of my ugly, fat granny coughing. Nothing will make me turn on the power.
Please?
Nothing on God's green earth will convince me to turn on the power. Although, I could really go for some Sugar Blasters candies.
Alright. Well, now I know what I need to get. A TV playing Skunky's favorite show. Whatever that is. Nobody knows. I don't really care. See, there it goes again, that weird line. I'll tell you this. We're gonna get some skateboarding in. Woohoo! Oh, wait. You ready? Yes! I got my heart fizzles. Oh, this is Granny, probably. Yeah. What's the matter?
Something stuck in my throat. Help me. The smoke from the power plant might make me sneeze.
Alright. What I need to do is, I need to go get candy, wherever the candy's at. So let me go find that candy. Candy. Everybody likes the candy. Every kid likes some candy, so we're gonna get some candy. It was shining. What did it give me? Oh, it gave me a heart fizzle. Everybody wants some fizzles. Heart fizzles. Okay. Oh my goodness. The whole time I could just do that. What's great is that now. Oh, shoot.
Hi, Peet.
Hey, Preston.
Up here. I've been looking all over for
Why?
you. Come up here. I gotta tell you something. I need to whisper it though, because frankly, I'm ashamed.
Oh, I'll come up there if I can. Oh man. Let's try this again. Oh man. Got behind me. It got behind me and got me like very good. Oh man. Thank you. At least I can get one of my stars back. 1, 2, 3. And then got that, but oh, there's gonna be another one right here. Got it. Okay. Need to get the bomb now. Now I need a bomb. Which is right here. Oh man. Oh man. One more bomb and then we're good to go. It's another puzzle. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Yes! Got it. Woohoo! Boink. Alright. Get this. Need to put it over here. And can I slowly get it up? Nope, it doesn't work. Oy vey. There we go. Oh. Oh. Okay, I need to go faster. At least I got it all open. Yay, I figured that one out. How'd the other thing? Oh, come on, seriously? It's so good, and I missed like an idiot. Nope, not fast enough. Oh my goodness. Nope. Oh, can I just hold it? And I suck. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Let's try this again. Nope. I'm not gonna get this. Let's try this again. Oh my gosh, why can't I just do it? Wow. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this. Every single time. Wow. I just had to just let it do its thing. That is so lame. Wow. Alright, Preston.
Hi. So, listen. I don't know if I can say it. But it's not my fault. I just got scared, that's all.
What did you do?
It was nothing. I've been stealing Sugar Blaster's candies from the barber shop all summer. Skunky said he'd slaughter my face if I didn't.
Wow.
I'm certainly ashamed, but in the end, my guilt can actually help
Yes,
you.
it can.
You see, Skunky will do almost anything for Sugar Blasters. Even turn on the power.
I know.
Unfortunately, I had to hide them from my parents last week, buried them, hope they're still fresh.
Yes.
But that's all I'm saying. I don't want to go to jail for being the dreadful villain I am.
You're not a villain. It's okay. Okay, so now I need to find... Oh, whoa. Hello. What the heck? Hey, I hit that. Well, I didn't hit it, obviously, but I got pretty close to it. Oof. There we go. They look like peaches. Alright, here we go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You totally blocked it, you dumb piece of egg or whatever you are. Oh, hello. Whoa, hello again. I'm gonna get your heart from you. I'm gonna steal your heart and eat it. Alright, well. I don't need to go that way yet. Whoa! You too, huh? Whoa! I didn't even hit it. What did he hit? Okay, well I need to get a bomb, that's what I need to do. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. No. Wrong way. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. You're stupid. There we go. Much better. Yes! Boom, baby. I got it. Yes. All right, Punky.
Watch out for Punky. That's me.
I know it's you.
It's my birthday. Did you see what Skunky got me? It's a speak and say.
What is that?
My speak and say. It's those cool toys. You pull the lever and it makes animal sounds. I love
Okay.
it. I'll let you play with it if you want. Just promise me you won't break
Okay.
it. It's so cool. I even train my pets at the water tower to respond to certain sounds. They seem to like the sound of a kitty.
Interesting. So I will need that.
Yeah, it really is. My brother Skunky got it for me. Well, I mean, that's his new name.
What do you need?
Skunky's name wasn't always Skunky. Everyone in Redwood Park is so confused, especially the post office. They keep calling him Colin.
Yeah?
Yeah, it honestly pisses me off. I was the one to change my name first. Now everyone calls me Skunky. No, I'm Punky.
Okay.
Whatevs. At least I got my speak and say. Please, 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 if you play with it, do not break it.
I will try my best.
Punky's speak and say.
Okay.
You can whack the handle and it will say animal sounds. Nice.
Okay. Grab it.
The fingers say.
Ooh, what is my new toy right here? Or my new card? It's, what is it? Skunky. Punky's crazy bro. Don't we all know someone like Skunky? He'll likely end up working at a grocery store forever. Or go to jail. One of the two. What does this say? Do not pass. Just
Trespassers will be shot in the face by booty bum army.
The good boy says.
can I go up? Nope, apparently not. Can't pass it anyway, so what do you mean don't go the other way or whatever? Okay. Well, it reacts to, it says it likes the, oh, that was cool, because of the sun. That's nice, I like that little, what you call it? So it likes the animal sounds and likes birds?
The gun says.
Yeah, that's not an animal sound.
The baby says. I want the milk. The kitty says.
Oh, the kitty. That's what it is. The kitty, not the, oh, come on. Seriously? Oh my gosh. Pete, you suck at jumping. Okay, maybe it's you with your error. Ooh, I know. This is what I need to do. I'm making this way more difficult than myself.
The baby says.
No.
I want the milk.
I want the milk.
The kitty says.
Maybe I do need to just keep it like this. There we go.
This speak and say is getting heavy. I'm dropping.
No, don't. Oh my
Mushroom
gosh.
says,
You just broke it.
I'm a mushroom.
Wow. You broke it, bird.
Is that the booty bump?
Grab it, hurry.
This should open the booty bump clubhouse in Red.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay.
There he sat, that Dr. Smile, face down in a pool of bile. Dr. Smile looked up and gazed at Pete's white and trembling face.
So creepy.
Come closer to my teeth, little Pete. Your friends won't miss you. Fast asleep.
What the heck? Oh, she's gone. Dang it. Booty Bum Key. Booty Bum Clubhouse. That's going to be the gold lock. Alright. Still need to find the gummies. He said he buried it. I know. I know. Grandma, who is a bird. Alright, well, this is going to be the end of the episode today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the episode and enjoyed watching me play, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you know exactly when the next episode is going to be coming out. Alright, again, this is DBLuuv, and I'll catch you guys next time.